We will now introduce you to the member packages feature of our software. This feature is used when you have the need to sell a service or, in rare instances, an item in a larger quantity, and the customer will not use the entire service or not pick up the entire quantity of the items immediately at purchase time, but instead they wish to use or pick up a little at a time. To make this a little more clear, this is most applicable in businesses based on memberships and service packages, so it is most often used for a membership purchase. For example, if the item in inventory is 1 hour of exercising in a gym, you would use this feature to sell a package of, let's say, 100 hours as a gym membership, and then the customer can use those hours as they please. Please keep in mind that this can be used for both services and physical items. Now we will introduce you to the creation of the member packages in inventory. First, we need to go to the Edit Inventory menu. Now we need to make sure that the services or the items that we will want this package to be consisted of are already existing in inventory and are ready to be sold the same regular old way as well. What that means is we cannot make a package for items, a package that's consisted of items that do not exist in inventory. Now, for the purpose of this video tutorial, since our inventory is virtually empty and we've only created a few items so far in these past video tutorials to show you some sales, we'll first need to create the service of 1 hour of exercising in a gym. And again, please keep in mind that you can do this for services and for physical items. So let's go ahead and create that service that the package will be consisted of. We're going to click Add Service, name it, add a description. We'll add some quantity, plenty of quantity in there, and let's say our supplier is, I don't know, us, and tax 7%, final price $10. Let's go ahead and add this to inventory. And now we have the item that we wish to sell through a package already existing in inventory. So now we can go ahead on to creating a package. To create a package, we click this button in here, Add Member Packages. As you can see, the inventory screen just showed an additional section. It kind of expanded sideways in here. There's this section right here, which is called Member Package Details, to accommodate the creation of a package. So basically, the creation of a package in inventory is all the same as the creation of any item or service in inventory, with the exception of the Member Package Detail section. We'll now enter the package. We'll start entering the package by starting with the name, description of the package, the price, and so on. Let's go ahead and give it a name, the description, supply price 0, product class, you can name it whatever you want. We'll just name it packages, seems most fitting. Quantity, let's say 1500. Supplier name, let's say us again. Tax 7%. Final price, I don't know, whatever, let's say $8. And now all that's left is the member package details in here. Now you can see the first section here gives us some choices as far as how we're gonna spend, or what the spending of this package will be based on. Those are the choices of base the spending on number of visits, number of minutes, number of hours, days, or months. Now, since we created we're creating a gym membership package, and the item that this package is consisted of is 1 hour in the gym, because we're going to do it per hour basis. It's most fitting that we click this option here that says based on number of hours. Now below that, you can choose to have an expiration date for the package. If you don't want your packages to go infinitely if people are not using them, you can set an expiration there, or just leave it blank if you don't want it to expire. In our case, let's say we'll put 365 days, that's 1 year, and the package will expire. And the last thing in here is, from this drop down menu, we need to select the items or the services that this package will be made up of. And in here, what we're going to do is we're going to select our 1 hour of gym and go ahead and add it. But please keep in mind that you can go back and add more, because you can add multiple items or services into a single package. Now when you're done, simply click add like you do with any other item in inventory, and this is going to be added to the inventory. And now that you have the package entered in inventory, you can sell it to customers and use the package functions for your customers that have purchased the package, as they take advantage of the package when they frequent your business. Stick around for the next video tutorial, which is a continuation of this tutorial and shows you how to actually use the packages.